Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Part 3. Now in this video we'll see that how uh, Roger Skunk, he comes to the wizard's house, which is located above the creek. Creek means a little river, and raps on the door. And then a little tiny old man came out with a long white beard and a pointed blue hat and sat. And when the door opens, a tiny old man comes out. He's got a long white beard and pointed blue hat and said, "Ah, what's your want? You smell awful. Look at that. What are you? Who are you? What do you want? You smell so awful." The wizard's voice was one of the Jack's own favorite effects. Now Jack takes out the voice of wizard, और wizard की आवाज़ वो बड़े इफेक्ट के साथ निकालते हैं, बड़े तरीके से निकालते हैं, a different voice of the wizard. He did it by scrunching up his face and somehow winning through his eyes. वो ऐसे अपने मुंह को twist करके बोलते हैं, और scrunching means twisting his mouth and winning through his eyes, और बड़ी complaining crying voice में उसकी आवाज़ निकालते हैं, special effect डालकर, which felt for the interval roomy, जो कि ऐसा लगता है as if he's crying. He felt being an old man suited him, और जैक को बड़ा सूट कर रहा था when he was playing the role of wizard. "I know it," Roger Skunk said. Know it means that he smells awful. "And all the little animals run away from me. The enormous wise owl said you could help me." And then Skunk told him this. "Ah, well, maybe. Come on in. Don't get too close. Now, well, maybe come on in. Don't get too close." So, a wizard said, "Come in." He called him inside his house and he says, "Don't come so close to me." Now, inside Joe, there were all these magic things all jumbled up together in a big dusty heap. Now, Jack tells his daughter, when he comes in, he sees that all the magic things were kept over there, all jumbled up, all kept in confused state in a heap. In a heap means piled, dust लगा हुआ सब पे, सब ढेर में रखी हुई थी. Because the wizard did not have any cleaning lady, क्योंकि wizard के पास कोई साफ करने वाली lady तो थी नहीं. Why? Jack पूछती है क्यों? Why? Because he was a wizard and a very old man. तो उसके फादर कहते हैं क्योंकि वो विजर्ड है और उसके पास वो ओल्ड भी है. तो जो पूछती है, "विल ही डाई? क्या वो मर जाएगा?" "नो, विजर्ड्स डोंट डाई." "वेल, ही रमेज्ड अराउंड एंड फाउंड एन ओल्ड स्टिक कॉल्ड अ मैजिक वॉन्ड." फिर वो कहती है, विजर्ड्स डोंट डाई, विजर्ड्स मरते ही नहीं है. एंड देन ही सेज दैट ही रमेज्ड मीन्स ही सर्च्ड अराउंड एंड फाउंड अ मैजिक वॉन्ड. वॉन्ड मीन्स मैजिक स्टिक. एंड आस्क्ड रोजर स्कंक व्हाट ही वांटेड टू स्मेल लाइक. And then he asked the skunk कि वो क्या बनना चाहता है, कैसा स्मेल करना चाहता है. Roger thought and said, "Roses." "Yes, good," Joe said smugly. Smugly means very satisfied manner. Now Joe was very happy. Oh, alas, he will smell like roses. Yes, good. Jack fixed her with a trance-like gaze, and then Jack looked at her with a trance-like gaze. Fixed gaze, लगातार उसको देखते रहते हैं, and chanted in the wizard's एल्डरली इरिटेबल वॉइस. और फिर वो विजर्ड की आवाज़ निकालते हुए ये मंत्र को चैंट करते हैं. "Abracadabra, hocus poo, Roger Skunk, how do you do? Roses, boses, pull an ear, Roger Skunk, you never fear." Bingo. So abracadabra is a magical formula, जिसे हम वो भी कहते हैं मंत्र, वो ये पढ़ते हैं विजर्ड की आवाज़ निकालते हुए. He paused as a rapt expression widened out from his daughter's nostrils, and he stopped. Paused means he stopped as a rapt, very absorbed expression. She laughed, और उसके nostrils भी पूरे expressed हो जाते हैं, पूरे wide हो जाते हैं उसको हंसते देख के. Then he stops, forcing her eyebrows up and her lower lip down in a wide, noiseless grin. Grin means she laughs. An expression in which Jack was startled to recognize his wife feigning pleasure at cocktail parties. And this was the expression of Joe. Joe was very, very happy, and Jock was very startled. Startled means he was surprised to recognize. जब वो उसको recognize करते हैं कि his wife also resembles Joe when she feigns pleasure, when she pretends that she is very happy in the cocktail parties. Cocktail parties में mother भी ऐसी ही लगती हैं, क्लेयर भी ऐसी लगती हैं जैसे उनकी बेटी लग रही थी इस वक्त. And all of a sudden, he whispered, the whole inside of the wizard's house was full of the smell of roses, roses. Roger Fish cried. तो father कहते हैं, at once his whole wizard's house was full of smell of rose. And the wizard said very cranky. And the wizard कहता है बड़ी cranky voice में, बड़ी deranged voice में, that will be 7 pennies. So the wizard says, I will take 7 pennies. Now daddy जो कहती है, what, Roger skunk, you said Roger fish. वो पापा को कहती है, he's Roger skunk and you are saying Roger fish. Yes, a skunk. You said Roger fish, wasn't that silly? वो कहती है, क्या ये silly नहीं है? How you said fish? Very silly of your stupid old daddy. Where was I? Well, you know about the pennies. Then daddy कहते हैं, oh very stupid I am, I forgot. So कहते हैं, okay, you know about pennies? Say it. Okay, Roger Skunk said, but all I have is 4 pennies. I'm now Roger Skunk. Poor thing, he says that he has only 4 pennies. And he began to cry. Joe made the crying face again. Now Joe also makes a crying face, but this time without a trace of sincerity. Now she was also crying, but there was no seriousness in her crying. This annoyed Jack. Now this Jack did not like. Downstairs, some more furniture rumbled, and again he heard some noise from downstairs that some furniture was rumbled, moved by his wife. Claire shouldn't move heavy things. At once he remembered कि Claire को उसकी wife को इतनी heavy things को move नहीं करना चाहिए. She was 6 months pregnant. It should be their third, and now she was expecting their third child. So the wizard said, oh, very well. Go to the end of the lane and turn round 3 times and look down the magic well, and there you will find 3 pennies. Now, as the custom is of the story, wizard tells him the way. You go there, and you will find 3 pennies. Hurry up. So Roger Skunk went to the end of the lane, turned around 3 times, and there in the magic well were 3 pennies, 3 coins. So he took them back to the wizard and was very happy and ran out into the woods, and all the other little animals gathered around him because he smelled so good. Now all the animals, they were gathering around him. They were very happy because he smelled of roses. And they played tag. Now they played tag. Tag is a game, no, when you catch one person catches others. Baseball, football, basketball, lacrosse. Lacrosse is a game by 2 teams, and play 10 play as having stick with net to carry ball. So 2 teams have, they have a stick and then they catch it. Hockey, soccer is a football, pick up sticks, all sort of games they play. Now Joe asked, what's pick up sticks? It's a game you play with sticks, like the wizard's magic wand. So she says it's a stick like a wand. Kind of. And they played games and laughed all afternoon, and then it began to dark, and they all ran home to their mommies. And then he tells them after that they went home to their mommies. So this is all about in this video. Thank you.